Hello, this is Keith All here, and today we're going to learn how we can create a color scheme or set of color swatches for any photo that you have. This is going to help you to create a color palette for your documents that you're working on. So as you can see with this image open, we have many different colors. So our first step is to go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy, and then as you look into the screen, there's going to be a color table that appears once I select. I'll come up here, GIF. Once I select GIF, a color table will be generated by Photoshop. And what Photoshop does, it grabs all the colors that it feels that is used in this particular image. Now, of course, you could select any of these colors and delete them from your color table, or you could also come up here where it says colors. Now, 256 is the maximum, and anywhere from 2 to 256 will be created. Now, you could select the number of colors that you want. So in this case, let me select 32. So what it does, it creates, it does its best effort to take 32 colors from this image. Now, our next step is we want to be able to save this color scheme or set of color swatches. So in order to do this, we come up to this menu, and it's actually this menu right here in the color table. You click on it, and then what you want to do is save color table. Now, it'll automatically default to the directory that Photoshop stores its color table files, but you can of course select any directory that you want. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to name it this, and I'm going to replace the file that's already there. It's a .act, which stands for Adobe Color Table. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. It's going to ask me to replace it. Yes. Okay, now it's saved. Now let's cancel out of this image because I don't want to change the image. And now all of a sudden, now what we want to do is we want to load that color table up here in our swatches. And we do that by selecting the swatches tab. And if this doesn't appear, what you want to do is select window and then select watches. So let's go over here to the menu, click on it, and of course we could reset our swatches, load new ones, which basically appends the colors that you select from your file, or we could replace this. What I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and replace it because I could always come back here to this menu and select another ACT file or reset it to what the original settings were. So I'm going to go ahead and replace swatches. Let's go to the downloads. And as you can see, nothing appears here. That's only because it defaults to a .aco file. And what we want is a .act file, which then displays all those files. And this is the file that we just created and saved. So I'm going to click it, click load, and there you have it. There's the 32 colors that we saved in the Adobe Color Table previously by going up to File and Export for Web Legacy. So hopefully this will give you an idea how you could set up new color swatches or color schemes for your projects. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when a new video is created. And please like, share, and comment because it always helps out other people in our community here on YouTube when they want to search for an issue and they want to learn for something new. So again, thank you for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.